All right, let's get practical. So these 6 commands right there, you will use them constantly, and these are the bread and butter of Git: init, clone, add, commit, push, pull. So if you learn nothing else but Git, learn these 6 commands. They are 80% of what you will do daily. So in this 2-minute video, I'll quickly run through each command, what it does, when you use it, and don't worry about memorizing the syntax right now. With practice, this becomes a muscle memory. So by understanding what each command does conceptually, and that's what matters. So let's run through your daily Git toolkit.
Messages describing what changed. So if I show you, so this is what happened. So this is my message. So if I go here and if I go to this commit again, so this is the message. I've added a person here. I have merged a pull request. I have updated readme. This is my message. So for each commit, I should have a message. If not, I cannot commit that. So I should have a message for all my commit messages. So I can write a brief description. So brief is actually small. So fixed login bug, and like you see here, update readme, update health check, create health check.email. So something like this, I can create a message. Again, as I told you, this message helps you and your team to understand what has happened at that particular point of commit. And then you're gonna build a complete timeline. So as you can see here, the complete timeline, right? So starting from, if you see here, like starting from April 12th, so you can see the entire timeline of your project, like what has happened since beginning till the end, like whatever until the last point. So the string, I mean, like, that you see here, the commits over weeks, over months, years, and you have a complete story of how your project have developed. So if you see here, I'm showing all the time. I think there are a few more commits. Yeah. So if you see, the very first date could be even further. But every single commit will be there. You will have the entire history of your work. And it's always good. Like if you have any bad messages like fixed stuff or changes are very useless. So always keep good messages like fixed email validation to accept plus sign address. So that's a kind of a simple example, I would say. So think of commit like a building block of your project history, because if you see, this was my initial commit. I added myself as a user, and then I did my first commit. I keep on adding users, and then there was a commit by Srini. I added another user.